I'm Alex with Fairly Honest Off-Road, and today we're changing the U-joint out in Austin's D21 Nissan pickup. I don't know, there's quite a few different ways to do this. I'm going to do it the way I've always done it and see if it works. I guess if I break it, then I break it. And once you have your clips out, take the sledgehammer, get the driveline disconnected first. I'm not hitting here, I'm hitting right on the edge of this yoke, right here. The U-joint actually pushes the cap. Okay, now that I took the bolts out of the flange, I guess I could have done that without taking the bolts out. So now we'll go over to the vise and I'll show you one way, if it works, I'll show you one way of taking these apart with just the vise. Basically what I'm going to do is just use the vise to hold the U-joint, and then I'm going to pound on the yoke to force the caps out of the yoke. So that got that cap moving. I'm going to get this other cap moving before I get too far. Okay, both of the caps started moving. So I've got a socket and I'm going to put over the cap. That way I can still drive straight down on the yoke. The U-joint is going to be resting on the ears of the vise. Just like that. And I'm going to hit right here and it should drive it out. There was absolutely no needle bearings left in this. So I'm going to go see if I can get another U-joint and put it back together so Austin can drive it to school tomorrow. I have another table that I need to shove everything off of, projects. There's no right or wrong way to do this, I don't guess. I'm doing it my way. Little anti-seize to keep it so it'll come apart in the future. I'm going to put the zert so that it's pointed away from the differential. Oh. So I used the wire brush on the drill to kind of clean out all the grooves and stuff and get the rust out of there. I'm gonna pound that in far enough so we can get the new keeper clip in the groove, and then I'm going to pound this side through and up against the keeper clip, and then I'm going to put the keeper clip on this side. I use my Leatherman because it's got a really nice little point on the needle nose. Any needle nose will really work. Oh, there's an example. I don't know if we're going to be able to see that. See that in there? That needle fell, so if I would have put this all the way on, that needle would have stopped it from going all the way. And we're going to put the keeper on this side. Squeeze. Okay, so I checked my keepers, all the keepers are in, everything's looking good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is set the caps to the outside of the yokes. So I'm gonna hit here, which is gonna force that cap to go out. So I'm gonna do that and push my caps out everywhere so that none of them are compressed really tight. So I'm not gonna hit on here. Actually, I could hit right on there, but I don't want to because that could mushroom down and make it hard to put the keeper in later. So I'm going to hit right on the side here. Couple smacks. Turn it. I'm going to hit here, which is going to push the cap on the opposite side that way. So that kind of just pushes everything out so that it's loose. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, watch for more videos, and catch you next time.